In this video, you will get 30 questions on geography. Which river has the largest river basin in India? Answer is Ganga. Which part of India received the first monsoon in summer? Answer is Western Ghat. River Krishna originates from which place? Answer is Mahabaleshwar. Which is the popular name of the Indian island in the Arabian Sea? Answer is Lakshadweep Island. Which is the longest river in India? Answer is Brahmaputra. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer is Mount Everest. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Answer is Neil Armstrong. Which is the hottest continent on Earth? Answer is Africa. Which is the principal source of energy for Earth? Answer is Sun. Which river is known as Dakshina Ganga? Answer is Godavari. Which state has the longest coastline? Answer is Gujarat. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Answer is Australia. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? Answer is Aravalli Mountain. Which is the largest lake in India? Answer is Chilika Lake. Which river is the longest tributary of Ganga? Answer is Yamuna. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Answer is Pacific Ocean. The Tapti River is flowing from which region? Answer is Satpura Range. Which river flows in a rift valley? Answer is the Narmada. Which is the world's largest peninsula? Answer is Arabia. Which one is the longest river of the peninsular India? Answer is Godavari. Which is the highest dam in India? Answer is Terry Dam. Which water bodies is the home of Lakshadweep? Answer is Arabian Sea. What is the name of southernmost hill ranges in India? Answer is Cardamom Hills. Famous Lucknow city is situated on which river? Answer is Gomti River. Mountains may be arranged in a line known as. Answer is range. Which river does not originate from India? Answer is Brahmaputra. Where is Dal Lake? Answer is Srinagar. Which river system formed the river Padma? Answer is Ganga and Brahmaputra. Where is Loktak Lake situated? Answer is Manipur. What is the another name of Sahyadri? Answer is Western Ghats.